Hello friends, let's talk about broccoli, the superfood. It was invented by the human being. Today I have few fresh broccoli from my garden. It's a month of January and its size is bit smaller because I'm living at Shimla and it is in the cold zone. Credit goes to the genius agriculturist of Italian civilization for the invention of broccoli. They breed it out of the wild cabbage by separating the tasty birds and reproducing it again and again. It received its name from Italian word broccolo, which means the flowering top of cabbage plant. Why it is called superfood? Because it's a good source of vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B also. It is considered an important food for preventing certain type of cancers, good in diabetes, curtails heart diseases, osteoporosis, and high blood pressure also. And it's a very remunerative crop, particularly in the hill region when there is no crop in the plains. Dear friends, I am not a dietitian, I am an agriculturist and I grow broccolis throughout the year. Now, what should be the ideal conditions for growing the broccoli? What should be the temperature? 16 to 23 degree is the ideal temperature for growth of broccoli, but it can be grown in temperature below 16 degree also. But temperature should not go below 10 degrees. Just you have to compromise with the size if you are growing it in the winter in the hilly areas, and some long harvesting days also. It is not recommended to grow broccoli if the normal temperature exceeds 25 degree. In case the temperature increases above the 25 degrees, the plant will be certainly prone to diseases which would be beyond control. It's a cold season crop, hence it can be grown at any time in mid and higher hills. It's a highly remunerative crop for hills as it cannot be grown in plains in summers and rainy days. In the plain, it's grown from mid-September to mid-October. For growing of broccoli, we need a sunny spot with 4 to 5 hours of sun. I have some broccoli seeds here. It's a F1 hybrid. I am taking out some seeds. I have taken a poly bag full of soil with good composting mixture, and just I will sprinkle these seeds in the soil and give casing of rich organic matter, totally composted. It's a cordon manure and it should not be very thick. It hardly matters if you are growing opal pollinated seeds or hybrid varieties as I had used. I have experienced that both type of seeds give the same yield. A small packet of seed purchased by me lasts for 1 or 2 years if stored properly. I grow it throughout the year and plant 60-70 saplings after every 2 months to ensure regular supply to my kitchen. After casing the soil, you need not to sprinkle water on it and cover the container with the black poly sheets and keep it in the sunny place. Within a week, you will find that all the seeds would be sprouted. And it is always advisable to sow seeds after 4-5 days of preparing the soil, so the time clears the defects of the soil. Friends, broccoli needs a lot of nutritional boost being a fast growing plant. You should keep adding cow manure, some organic fertilizer or a balanced dose of chemical fertilizer during its growth at least once in a month. Broccoli needs lot of water. You need to keep soil hydrated, means you need to keep the soil moist all the time and you need lot of water. If you don't have water or you are not prepared to give water, then don't grow broccoli. Now we shift our topic to diseases and pests. Dear friends, if your temperature rises above 22-23 degrees, then without a single thought, you have to apply any chemical pesticide, insecticide after 15 days interval. You can't wait for diseases to come, and you should use the pesticides with green or blue color tag on it. For kitchen garden, you should not use the electrically operated high velocity, high pressure spray pumps. You should use the hand pumps, and chemical fertilizer should be stopped before upcoming of cabbage flower, and you should do the work of chemical fertilizers or chemical pesticides, insecticide before the flowering stage, so that there should be least impact of such fertilizer or insecticides, pesticide in the flower of the plant, so that we can consume it at home safely. Dear friend, this takes about 70 to 90 days depending upon the temperature for flowering in the plant, and if you are doing it in the kitchen garden, then you should plant saplings in batches so that you can get the continuous supply of broccoli throughout the year. I grow it throughout the year, and my son likes it most. I had planted these seeds about 15 days ago, and they would be ready for plantation in the month of February, and they will give me good yield in the month of June. It is upcoming batch. It would be ready for harvest in the month of February. I have a very simple way of eating broccoli. Simply cut the broccoli in pieces. Keep it in a Borosil bowl. Add water. Few drops of vinegar. Add some salt. And microwave it for 3 minutes. Thereafter rinse it, and it would be ready for salad. Thanks for watching my video. It has come after a very long interval. If you like it, then please share it and subscribe to my channel Gardening in Hills.